Thank you for your application to Mount Royal University. Now that you've applied, you can check on the status of your application at any time through your Future Student Portal account. To access the Future Student Portal, enter mru.ca/FSP into your browser. From the Future Student Portal page, click Login and enter your username and password. If you have any difficulty with your username or password, you can select Forgot Your Password to reset it. Once you have logged in, your name will be in the top right-hand corner. Clicking on your name will show you a variety of options related to your account. To check the status of your application, select My Application Status. This page shows a history of all the applications you have submitted in past and current terms. The status of each application is in the column labeled Status. To view more details about the documents you have submitted and any conditions that you may need to meet, click on View Doc Status next to the application that you are interested in. The first section of this page shows all transcripts that we have already received or that are still outstanding for your application. And the second section shows any conditions that you are required to meet if you have already been conditionally admitted. If you have any questions about the status of your application, please click Contact Us in the top bar for ways you can connect with us, or consider registering for one of our information sessions and events. Click Events in the menu bar for a full listing. Please note that if you are a current student, you must reach out to Academic Advising if you require assistance with your application status or your next steps. Thank you again for applying to Mount Royal University, and we hope to hear from you soon.